Taxation of gifts within families. What's taxable, what's not, and how clubbing provisions apply differently to in laws. Understanding gift taxation and clubbing rules in India. Gifting money or assets to family members may seem straightforward, but under Indian income tax laws, the implications can be complex. This guide explains how gifts to close relatives, such as a wife, son, daughter in law, or son in law, are treated and when clubbing provisions come into play. Are gifts to family members taxable? After the repeal of the Gift Tax Act, the responsibility for paying tax on gifts shifted from the donor to the recipient. Under current income tax rules, gifts up to Rs 50,000 in a financial year are not taxable. If the total value of gifts exceeds Rs 50,000, the entire amount becomes taxable in the hands of the recipient unless the gifts are received from specified relatives. Who qualifies as a specified relative? Gifts received from specified relatives are fully exempt from tax, regardless of the amount. Specified relatives include spouse, parents, parents-in-law, children, son-in-law, and daughter-in-law. So, gifts from a husband to his wife, from parents to their son, or from parents-in-law to a daughter-in-law or son-in-law are not taxable. When do clubbing provisions apply? Even if a gift is exempt from tax, clubbing provisions may apply. These rules ensure that income generated from gifted assets is added to the income of the donor, not the recipient. For example, if a husband gifts money or assets to his wife, any income generated from those assets is clubbed with the husband's income. Similarly, if parents-in-law gift assets to a daughter-in-law, the income from those assets is added to the parents-in-law's income. These provisions continue to apply as long as the relationship exists, and they also extend to income from assets that have been converted into other forms. However, income generated from reinvestments made using already clubbed income is not subject to further clubbing. Gifts before marriage. A different rule. If gifts are given to a fiancé or future daughter-in-law before marriage, the clubbing provisions do not apply because the recipient is not yet a specified relative. However, in such cases, if the total value of gifts exceeds Rs 50,000 in a financial year, the amount becomes taxable in the hands of the recipient. If you find our content valuable, we kindly invite you to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest videos.